Okay, today we're going to teach you how to create, utilize and track QR codes. Now, why did I come across this? I was just looking around and I was trying to create a QR code with an image in the middle of myself or a logo or anything. And all I come across was you can create it, but to download it, you'd have to sign up. And to track any of these QR codes, they would need to basically sign up and have a subscription, which was ridiculous for a QR code. So we're going to run through what I've created, because I've actually gone out and with the help of ChatGPT, created a QR code generator, and it's completely free. All right, so there will be no subscription models or anything like that. We'll run through this later as we work through it. So what is a QR code? A QR code is something that you scan with your phone with your camera, and it will take you to a website. Now that website could be a Facebook post, it could be a YouTube video, it could be a PDF, it could be an image, or it could be a discount code for a product purchase, or a free dessert with your meal, or something like that. Anything that you want to be able to display in a shop window, a car back window, a car door, a website, anything where people would want to be able to scan it. It's a way of getting people from seeing something that they might like to getting it on their phone and be able to deal with it. Very useful tool. So how do you create one? Okay, first of all, you need a website that you want to send them to. Now this depends on your business and your type of business. If you're an affiliate, it might be your affiliate offer. If you're a restaurant, it might be a free dessert. All right, an offer. If you're a retailer, it might be 10% discount on your next purchase, or 2 for 1, or something like that. If you're a real estate agent, you might want to have your face out there saying, hey, thinking of selling, give me a contact, and have your contact details behind a QR code, right? So you could put any kind of website you want there. Now the beautiful part is you can actually track how many people scan this website. Now that's as simple as, I've got several blog posts here. This one here, QR code for small business. Okay, it shows you how to utilize it for small business, retail products and promotions, how to book calls, gyms and fitness, all of this stuff. So what I was going for was tracking. So to track it, you can use, there's a couple of ways of doing it. If you just want to know how many people have scanned it, I would use Bitly, right? And that's just a link shortener where you grab your main URL at like andrew12tree.com and you put it in wrap it with a Bitly link, and it tells you how many times that Bitly link has been clicked. So that way then when you go back to generate your code, you're putting a Bitly link in here instead of your URL. And let me quickly do this, hang on. Okay, and this blog post shows you how to do it. So you can see here a couple of the recent ones I've done. These are just blog posts, okay? You can see someone's clicked it twice. So that the actual link is this link here, okay? But you get the Bitly link and you go copy that, you pop that over into the free thing and you put that link in there, oops, instead of your website. And that way then you know how many people have scanned your QR code. Now you can make multiple QR codes, just keep coming back to this page, okay? So to do it, that's, you put your link there. Now whether it's a trackable link, whether you go off and set up Google Analytics so you know where the link has come from and all sorts of information, that's a bit more in depth. But once you've got that link, you pop that in there. Now if you want an image in the middle, you can have a website. You can put a YouTube play button. You can put Facebook. You can put Instagram. All of these other preset things there. A PDF, LinkedIn. Okay. Or you could choose a image. Now, whether that image is of you, like this, you click your little image. Then what happens is you're allowed to crop it. So you can move that around, get it in the middle and then go apply crop and see that your little face is in the middle. How cool is that? If you want your face is your brand, if you're a real estate agent or something like that, you can do that. Now, here's a really cool thing. You can change the QR code color. So you can make it red with a green background. Okay, it doesn't look very pretty. I personally just like black and white, to be honest. So I'll just change it back to that. Okay, but really cool is you can put a border around the image and you can make that whatever color you want. Now, quite often I use a bright color, like so. And if you want a border, you can say how thick you want it. You can want a thin one, all the way up to extremely bold. I kind of pick extra thick, so it just stands out. Now, here's the thing as well. You can change the size of the image in the middle. So I make it as large as you can, because you don't want to make it too large or you won't be able to scan the QR code. So you go update QR code, then you can download it in multiple different sizes. Now, if you're looking to just put it on your phone or something, 300 by 300 is fine. But if you want to print it out on a storefront window, you might want to get a larger one. So you click that, click download PNG, and that QR code is then on your computer. See, there it is in you there. Then you can print it out, send it, email it, do whatever you want with it. So that's how you make a QR code. Now, here's the thing. That QR code will never run out. It will always work. It will always send people to that website. Now, if you want a different offer, you come back in, you make a new bit.ly link, you put the bit.ly link there, and you make another one. All right. Now, the beautiful part of this is it's completely free. You don't need to pay a subscription model or anything to make this work. And look, if you happen to see an advertisement at the top or the bottom, don't accidentally click it. I might make $1 or $5. Okay, so that's some of the reason why I do this, and to be able to use stuff without having ridiculous subscriptions, eating into the profitability of small business. So that's how to do it. And this site will be readily available. I suggest that you bookmark this page and come back. Whenever you need a QR code, just whack in your image. I mean, there's lots of different ways you can do things. Okay, you can put, logos in the middle. Like that, for example. And pop that in the middle there, apply crop. So it's got the fat loss after 40 logo in the middle. Now that one doesn't need a border. So I go back to no border. There it is. Or I might put a little one. A thin one, I might make it a different color though. Might make it more pink. There you go. That looks a bit neater. So there you go. You can download that. Just make sure you've got the right URL up here. So just a couple of other ones. You've got the tracking. You've also got how to set up a PNG and how to put an image behind it. So if you've got Instagram or a photo, or you're a photographer and you want to give people examples of some of your work, then you can put them in a QR code so they can click it and go look at the image. Okay, if you're a wedding photographer, you can have a series of QR codes which take you to like a portfolio. Just throw out some examples there. So there we go. There's the free QR code generator that allows you to put images and or logos in the middle. Where I've lost it now. I've lost it. Let's go home. It's here somewhere. There it is. So there it is. So enjoy, come back, bookmark it, and if you want to give me a backlink, that would be even better. So for now, Andrew out, be awesome and have a great day.